Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Assalamu marhaba. And today I'm making a decor for Ramadan. So this is my first decor. Cut the words of Ramadan in Urdu, English, or Arabic, because it's your choice. You can do it in Urdu, Arabic, or English. Put a gold wrapping around it and place your words. Ra, Mim, Sa. Oh, there's my kitten, Jerry. And don't forget the dot of the Sa. Then Noon. Then you have to do black color all around. Put black color, cover the canvas with the black color. If you don't have a white canvas, you can put a gold gift wrapping on it, like this I put. You just have to cover whole canvas, whole canvas. It took so long in painting the canvas, and it took also long to dry it. Now tick off the words Ra, Mim, and Sod. If you want to dry faster, you just have to take a hair dryer and then you can dry faster. Now it's time to glitterize it. I'm putting glitter on the sides, on the corners. I'm choosing gold glitter. There, almost done. I just put glue before putting the glitter. If you want to mix the glue and glitter, you can. Now it's time to make a candle jar. First, take a jar, put tape around it so the gold spray doesn't get at the top. Let your parents do this because the gold paint, the spray, the smell, it's so bad. let parents do it. If you're done, take off the tape and ready to make a mix. The mix is glue and glitter. Make sure you put a lot of glitter or else it'll be brownish kind of. Your mix will be kind of brown color. After doing that, where the sides are clear, put the glitter glue over there, all around the jar. Make sure you don't put it on the gold spray. Just spray on. Just put it from the top. There, you have your jar. And now we're making countdown till Eid calendar. If you don't have a string, you can take a hanger, paint it gold. We use the same spray, so take the spray and spray it. Now cut the paper you got. If it's too big, cut the paper from the side. Take some glue, fabric glue if you're using wallpaper, and then stick the hanger to it. To press it down, put some heavy rocks like I put it. Then with white color, just write numbers till 30. Cut a star from cardboard, then put a little glue on top. Cover it with silver or gold glitter. Take a double-sided tape and stick the star at the top of the hanger. Sticker time! Each day you passed one day for Ramadan, put a star on it. Now it's time to make some, what's its name? Leave it. Whatever. It's a decor, you know. Now take paper, cut it into lamp pieces kind of shape, then take glue, stick them together. Before sticking them together, fold them like I did, like two faces side. Before putting the last one, put the pom-pom, what we said. Oh my goodness. Leave it. Now you got a decor, another decor. Look at hanging. It's red, purple, blue. Wow. Look the things I made. I love the canvas. Wow. Look at the candle stand. What do you say? It's beautiful. And there's my candle. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share with your friends. Bye.